Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. The question says how competent cells can be made. And they have given the first one as calcium chloride method, then the second one says Hanahan method, and the third one says electroporation. Okay. So and they've given option A, that is 1, 2, 3, option B 1, 3, option C 1, option D 2 and 3. So let us understand the question. It says how competent cells can be made. So what do you mean by competent cells? Competent cells. These are the cells which can, take up the foreign DNA or external DNA. Okay, these have the capacity to take up external DNA. External DNA, that means you're talking about the gene of interest, the DNA containing gene of interest. Okay. Now, to make competent, like to make these cells competent, what do? We follow different methods because it has to take up the DNA easily. So we make these cells competent by various methods. So here they have the first one they have given CaCl2 method. Okay, calcium chloride method, which is also called as Hanahan method. What is this called as? It is also called as Hanahan method. Okay, Hanahan method. Now, what does it do? Here, the calcium divalent calcium ions. Here, the divalent calcium ions. Calcium ions. What do? They create pores. Chemically, they create pores in the cell wall. Pores they will produce in the cell wall of the bacteria. Cell wall of the bacteria. Okay. And here, what will happen? The pores will allow the entry of the DNA. So hence, it becomes competent. The second one they have given Hanahan. So Hanahan is nothing but CaCl2 only. So that is also correct. Then the third one they have given. What have they given? Electroporation. What is electroporation? Electroporation where the cells are treated with current. Okay, they treat with impulse of current, which will again cause pore formation. Okay, pores are formed, and this will allow easy entry of the DNA fragments into the DNA into the cells. So that is how we can make them competent. That is why it is called as electroporation. Electro means use of electricity. Poration means allowing the formation of pores in the cells so as to make them competent. So the third one also is correct. So calcium chloride method, Hanahan method, because Hanahan and calcium chloride both are same. Okay. So according to that, option A says 1, 2, 3. Yes, that should be the correct answer. Option B says 1 and 3. No, because second method, what they have mentioned is just like it is the same as calcium chloride method. Option C says 1, which is again ruled out. Option B says 2 and 3. So we have to look for all the ones which are correct. So option A is correct option. Okay. So let us conclude the answer. The answer is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.